Welcome to Trucker Reacts, back with another video. Yes, it is that time of year again where we get the news stories of multiple vehicle pileups due to snow, ice, not paying attention, speeding, or going too fast for conditions, being on the road when you probably shouldn't have been on the road, and lack of communication amongst truck drivers and the CB radios. Always have a CB radio in your truck turned on so things like this might not happen if you even get warned. So this is out of Michigan, the Zeeland, Michigan area around was it I-196 between Grand Rapids and Holland, Michigan. And this is from one of the drivers that was involved in this accident. It was filmed in portrait mode or TikTok mode, whatever you want to call it. But let's go to it and see what's going on or what happened up there. This is crazy.
This is the road right here. This is the right lane. I stopped. I did not hit this guy. I stopped. But this guy was trying to avoid me from the right side. He was trying to avoid me, but he still hit me because he got pushed. But
Yeah,
this
look
is
at
a
that.
big pile up over here. And look at these cars.
Wow.
And I still hear the noise banging in the back. But
Oh, I lost our antifreeze.
there's one car right here. Oh my God. You guys all right? You okay? Oh, hold on. 1 second, I'm coming. Hey, help me out to get these people out, bro.
Wow, look
Oh
at
my
that.
God.
Oh, wow. Uh, I'd honestly say I've never
That
been
guy's
in one of these.
had an accident. So this guy stopped. I stopped. But these guys didn't stop, could not stop. So this is
You were going too
the
fast?
left lane. This is the right lane. But that truck tried to avoid me from the right side, but still hit me. But I didn't hit anyone. This is the cars in the ditch. So that truck hit me on the right side, trying to avoid me.
Wow.
Look at these guys. Look at these guys. This car.
It just looks cold, wind blowing, snowing. Oh, it's crazy. Why were you ever driving in that mess in the first place?
Look at these.
Airbag deployed.
Look at
Wow.
these. This is my truck.
Wow. Crazy.
My truck is okay. That truck hit me on the right side.
Apparently, he wasn't paying attention.
Yeah. You see the trail?
He's gonna get towed out of that situation. At least their trucks are still running. They ain't got that heat. Yeah, I messed up your truck
My
pretty much.
truck.
Wow. Look at that. They're all over the place.
My camera cannot even see.
coming down too. Y'all gonna be stuck there for
Yeah,
a good while.
I seen it way ahead, and I
Yeah,
had to
about
go.
2 more minutes
Out.
left of
I
this.
went off the edge. This guy got hit. You got about 100. You got about 100 cars.
All right. You're probably not going to the safest spot right now.
Yeah. Oh yeah, it's jammed down here. Yeah, you're jammed. Yep.
We're like 3 miles from our exit.
Between Hudsonville and Zeeland, folks, stay off the highway.
It happened a few days ago. Not sure the date, but wasn't that long ago. Some of that lake effect snow coming in from the lake there. This is in western Michigan.
Holy shit. Goes back for miles.
Man, I'm glad I never gotten that one of those. I always try to stay off of that. And there's been times when I've been stuck on the road, couldn't get off the road, had to deal with it, but made it through. There goes the cleanup. Starting to clean up.
Trucks just coming in. Cars just coming in.
And a lot of tow trucks. Tow truck business is booming right now in that area.
These cars are all involved.
That's great.
Tonight, a truck driver is
that's from the New York Post. And crazy stuff, man. I got another video here, some drone footage from I think this one's from Fox News. I'm not sure where they got it, but this is some drone footage. And didn't do a whole lot, or there is no audio to this, so let's just watch it, talk about it. So this is an aerial view of this. Look at that. It looks a lot worse from the air than what it does on the ground. Some vehicles not even touched. Other ones jackknifed. That truck there jackknifed the red one. Crete looks like, yeah, Crete. Flatbed, he's all right. A couple of four-wheelers in there. That red truck, JK was all right. That one there is all right. But up here in the front, that's where they look at that camper in the front of that truck. The truck, wow. In this area, we used to go up to Holland, Michigan a lot when I was with Epps. Yeah, there's a Hayworth office furniture place up there in Holland, Michigan. We used to go to, and I used to like going up there. I never went up there in the wintertime. It was always, the weather was usually good, but it's right there on the lake. I remember one night I went up there. It was windy, and there's a truck stop up there called Tulip City Truck Stop. I think I don't even know if it's still there. We used to hang out there. It was good times, good times. We used to haul office furniture out of North Carolina, Hayworth, and take it. They had a warehouse or a plant up there. We'd take it up there. But It was a good run. I remember I did go back to Holland when I was with Central Holland. Can't remember which truck I had, the Black International or the 9400 or the Pearl Star. Can't remember, but I had delivery up there, and it was a holiday weekend, I think. So I didn't deliver it Tuesday, so I picked up somewhere, Arkansas or something, on that Friday, I think, and I read the weather report for that area up there in Michigan. So there's going to snowstorm coming in Monday. So I thought, "Ooh, I need to get up there." And I think I got there Saturday night. Stayed there at the Tulip City truck stop for Saturday night, Sunday. Then I think Monday or Sunday night into Monday morning is when the snowstorm came in. And it was a snowstorm. It wasn't that bad because I got it Monday morning. I still was able to deliver my load not too far from there. But yeah, good old Holland, Michigan. Tulip City truck stop. Anybody know if that place is still there or not? I think they had a restaurant. That's the same place. They had a restaurant right next to the Tulip City truck stop. That's the same place I'm thinking about. And the restaurant was good. And you get your own food there at the truck stop itself, ready made sandwiches and stuff like that. It wasn't too bad. Well, old school truck stops. But yeah, look at this. This is just a mess. I just can't imagine. Can't imagine being in something like that, being stuck there for days. At least, hope you had some plenty of fuel, keep your truck running, keep your heat. We got some plenty of water, plenty of food to eat, and I always try to keep something in the truck in case emergencies or something like that happen. You can survive 2 or 3 days stuck somewhere, and you just never know, especially when you're running the northern tier part of the United States where nothing but snow up there. Seems like so. That's it. That's it for this crazy stuff, man. This time of year, I think that's not the first one that happened this year, this season, this winter season. I think there's more than one. I think they had another one up there on the Indiana Turnpike, I-80 or something. The Indiana Turnpike, Ohio Turnpike, one of the other ones. One of those. I think it was Indiana. And this one popped up the other day. I said, wow, that's crazy. Another one. I can't remember when all this started. With the issue of having all these major multiple vehicle pileups. Was it the day the CBs kind of faded away? Nobody warning anybody anymore, or people getting pushed by their shippers or their customers or their company dispatchers, push, try to get that load no matter what, get that load there no matter what. I mean, there's a few times I had some words with some dispatchers about traveling that stuff. I used to say, I ain't driving that mess. Remember one time I was with Epps. It snowed all on the East Coast, and I was there in Greensboro, and we were iced in Greensboro. They still wanted me to take that load up somewhere in New Jersey or something. So I ain't driving this mess. So I finally talked me into taking it us to our yard there in Chester, Virginia, and dropping it off there. I made it there, but it took all day. I said, I'm not going to make that. Oh, you can do it. It took me all day to get there. And then when I got there, they want me to continue with the load. I said, I'm not going anywhere. I'm done. I held up my end of the bargain. I got the load up here, and y'all got hold of your end of the bargain. So I'm coming back down south, getting out of this mess. So that was that's crazy. They got mad, but what are they gonna do? They can't force you, I guess. But I was trying to stay at Epps. It wasn't long after that. I think I left Epps. So that's it. So let me know down in the comment section. Have y'all been in kind of messes like this year or any year? It's crazy stuff. So I appreciate everybody watching. Everybody have a good day and stay safe.